What's up YouTube, it's your boy Eeryt, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create meme videos in iMovie.
The first thing you want to do, open your browser, type in white background, and then images. Click on the white background, save it, minimize this, open up iMovie, click on Finder, drag in your white background, minimize this, and then drag your video file, press picture in picture, drag this to the front. Once you do that, go to Window, click on Titles, and then grab Upper, drag it over, click on Black, here we go, and drag this over, delete this, and then you want to come over here to your video and resize it to whatever size you want, maybe like that. Press done, then come over here to your text, double click it, and then rename it to what you want. And then come over here, get it centered like that. You could probably resize the video a little bit more.
Eeryt with another one.
Press done. And then start from the beginning. Press the space bar. And that's how you do it. Oh yeah, one last thing. When you finish with that, press export movie. And then press export. And then it should export. And you should be good to go. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and all that. It's your boy Eeryt, and I'm out. Peace.